salute to the whole of humanity and anybody that's watching my videos. Hi, how y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? Oh man, these lean angles. Wow. That's on short notice. Turn. Lean. I love this bike, but I'm about to go on a little expedition. Well, it's not really an expedition, it's more like an exploring session. I already know what I'm doing. I'm gonna take the northern roads, man. The fry. I'm gonna go fry towards the north side. See what's over there. See what I can find. We're not going to the forest today. We're just going. We're going through neighborhoods. I find that to be very entertaining. Actually, going through neighborhoods is probably my favorite thing to do. Besides, you know, crazy swerving on the highway. But I'm not on that bike today. I'm on the quiet one. Well, not the quiet one. This thing's not quiet at all. It's actually pretty loud, if I could be honest. Bro, this bike just responds to my soul, bro. As soon as I slow down, I don't even have to think. It just goes. Like, slow down, I should have turned, I'm looking that way, my body just leans naturally, the bike leans too. So intuitive too, my lord. I thank you for this beautiful present that you gave me. You know, I'm gonna make sure I take care of it. So I gotta swap the fork wheels very soon, actually, because, it's not looking too good down there. It's leaking. I had to put, let me see if I can show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I had to put some towels on the area between the exposed front area between the actual fork thing, the fork tube, and well, y'all know what I'm talking about. The part that leaks, physically. I put some zip ties and some microfiber straws on there just to make sure it doesn't leak in my tires and I slip and die. So I should be good for now. And then it holds the suspension to like in place. It's hard to explain, but I pretty much saved my life for about a week till it's good again, and then I gotta go swap it. But I'm getting it swapped this week though. I'm gonna drop it at Apex down the street and they can take care of it. Actually, the owner, Ahmed, great guy. Same name as my dad. I thought he was Arab, but he's not. He's actually Hispanic. Picture it, very fluent. I need to learn that too. That's a beautiful day today. Thank my Lord Allah for that. Shout out to God, by the way. I forgot to say that. It's a lot of wind. A lot. Like a lot of it. I guess that's going back to a Clay Road right there. And then this is Fry Road. That's what I was trying to hit. I just wasn't going to go to Clay Road first and then go straight. And I weaved all the traffic pretty much. And I took the fun road. It's the fun road. No one complains about the fun road. Well, a few people complain about the fun road typically, but I know. The trip for the day is not looking bad, you know, I'm trying to do better. The boots are matching the bike, and my outfit is matching the shit that I did to hold the boot. See? Improvement. You're doing much better. And then it sounds good, so, and I guess it looks good too. Don't got nothing to complain about today. The Lord has made a beautiful day for us all to enjoy. Let's try to enjoy it. Oh, I did it. You can actually dodge it. It's very hard enough you can dodge this good thing. Oh, without the clutch. Keyword, without the clutch. Wow. No, this is beautiful out here. I love it. That's a church. That's pretty big. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that's the difference. Like, I feel like the churches are so inefficient. They're more like a monument. You know what I'm saying? They're just there. They look good. You know, big monuments, big buildings. Fantastic. The mosques, on the other hand, though, peak efficiency. You know, small space, maximize on the space. So it's gotta be damn near touching while you're praying. You know, you and your neighbor. Apparently, it's like a myth or like a legend. Shaitan just, which is Satan, by the way. Shaitan just sits in between the gap. So if you're not literally toe to toe with your Muslim brother, there's Shaitan in the middle. And you don't want that, of course. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to seek refuge from your Lord. So while you're inside of the mosque, you're supposed to be toe to toe to people. The religion literally negates racism. There's a lot of Arab people, but if you gotta touch a black guy, you know, you can't necessarily be racist. And if God is gonna punish you for not touching a black guy, you know, you can't necessarily be racist. You know, now if the black guy's trying to marry your daughter, then you definitely can't be racist. But that's personal preference. I can call it that. As far as I'm concerned, I can see a clear path between me being a man and me being Muslim, because, you know, it's just discipline. You know, like all the stuff that my dad be trying to like ingrain into me, it's written in the Quran for me to have to do. It's like a duty. That was beautiful. I tried to make sure I get work from the Asian, but it didn't. So good. It is my turn. Yeah! I have not seen a cop since I started riding today. I guess today's my day. It's a sign for me to speed. It's a sign for me to speed. My Lord. But nah, back to the religious thing, you know what I'm saying? If you're a guy, just reading the Quran should do it for you. You don't need to know background information. You don't gotta look in the Bible, not even a word. Unless you want to get educated on the religion. That's the next step, actually. You know, after you just accept the fact that, hey, certain things I'm supposed to be doing and certain things I'm not supposed to be doing, then you're like, yeah, why do I have to do this? And if you need more reasons, then you look in the previous books. But, you know, the point of a religion is obedience, regardless of how you see it. So if you read somewhere that God said this is a sin and this is not supposed to be done, you know, your straight reaction should be, okay, let's not do that no more. It shouldn't be questioned why I shouldn't do it. You're not supposed to eat pork, you're not supposed to drink alcohol. Just don't drink alcohol, don't eat pork. That's it. You know, after you questioning is defying. And if you're defying God, then God is not going to be with you. And you can't ask God for sure. But who do you think is in control of this planet? If you don't ask God for anything, if you cannot ask God for anything, if you don't have that ability, that leverage, then who are you going to ask for anything? You know, who could possibly save you? Or who could possibly help you against what's to be helped about, you know? You got some problems, you know, circumstances are not going in your favor. Because you gotta remember also this is a test, so you know, you're asking to fail the test pretty much. And if you fail the test, it's up to you. It's up to you to get punished for it apparently. And if you pass the test, you get rewarded. See, life is good. So everybody's aim should be to win, you know, to pass the test of our Lord. The beautiful test that we call life. You know, things come your way. If those things are not good and not favorable, you should probably ask for forgiveness, or you should ask for God to spare you from, you know, challenges and tests like that. If you feel like you can't handle them, because it's not a good idea to fail. If you get a hard decision and you miss the decision and you make the wrong decision and you cook, you know, knowing that, you know, your best bet is to not even participate. But you're also not going to die because only God knows when your appointed time is. You know, even if you kill yourself, that's appointed by God too. He knows everything. He knows what's there to be done, what's about to happen, what's not going to happen, what would have happened, how it would have happened. If it didn't happen, what would have happened? You know what I'm saying? You can't go against that. You literally cannot beat that. Can't go against it, can't beat it. Just join the team. Just join the fucking team. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for my episode for the day. We're gonna elaborate on this probably in a podcast. Next time I get a solid place that looks proper, I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna do a podcast. We gotta set some things straight. But until then, y'all have a fantastic rest of the day. I'm probably gonna be shooting more videos, but that's gonna be it for this one. My back just snapped like 16 times. Oh man. But yeah, shout out to God. Shout out to me. Like and subscribe, of course. And then get the fuck off my channel. Y'all have a fantastic rest of the day. Thank you.